Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So you need to do it if you'd like to install some apps from different sources than, for example, Play Store. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to find more security and privacy, and here let's enter install apps from external sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let me choose Chrome and tap on the switcher next to allow app installs, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.